Okay, so this implant in my ear has a bunch of different sensations, including oscillating sensations, what I describe as gear grinding sensations, where it feels like something's spinning and with something like some sort of steel attached to the spinning wheel that's a cog and it sounds like a gear grind. And then sometimes it's just random high pitches and stuff. So I'm going to hum because when I hum, I can hear those sensations in my ear loud and clear. So I want to see if they'll be heard on the mic, which they have been heard on the mic before, but they'll probably duck it this time around. But this is going to be a humming session, so just bear with me. Yeah, he only made some sounds. He's kind of ducking it. That's him reacting. That's him. That's all him. That sensation you heard under that ring was a live microphone. It records what I say and throws it back at me. He didn't want me to say that, so he just reacted and he just said F you to me. That's him. That weird sound underneath is the live mic, which I forgot to talk about. But I kind of did just now, so earlier, like in the middle of this. Notice how that's a reaction. Notice how it didn't go along with me pushing the button. It kind of went its own way with me turning the knob, I mean. It's easier to swallow when I do this because they stop the sensations, which they're trying to stop me from swallowing with these techniques and suggestions they use with this ear implant. That was a sputter sound that was not natural. That's from their ear implant. It's a sputter sound made to entrance me. That's a doggy whistle pitch. You just use a doggy whistle pitch on me. The sputtering sound, he just said it himself. That's him speaking. Very weird sounds that don't naturally come from a microphone. That one sounded really electronic right there. Sounded kind of robotic. can hear people speaking through high-pitched rings. I don't know about you. Loud mic. Him speaking. Not natural mic sounds. That's the dude speaking. Turn it up with an amp. Put an amp to this video. Amplify this video with another amp, and you should hear him loud and clear. Again, I have a mic to my ear. This is the only thing attached to this amp. My microphone that I took the foam off so it would flatly fit on my ear. That's it. And all those abnormal sounds are coming from what I'm detecting with the microphone. Those sounds do not come from an amp naturally. A lot of them sounded robotic. They sounded electronic. They sounded like there's an implant in my ear that makes a bunch of electronic sounds and tries to generate like sensations, like, you know, has buzzes and, you know, different types of entrancing sounds, which I've explained in other videos. You should be able to get them caught with this. This is clearly an implant in my ear.